Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of our exponent chapter. Here we are discussing the important questions from grade 8. Okay, so let's start with the first question of grade 8 part 4. Okay, 5 square by 3 into 5 square by 3. Okay, so how you can write this question? 5 by, see, it is 5 square into 5 square by 3 into 3. In simple way, we can write this 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 2. Okay. In another way, we can solve this question as 5 square, that is 25 by 3 into 25 by 3. So we can solve this as 625 by 9. Okay. So you can write either this answer or this answer. Express each of the following in standard form. Okay. So we have discussed the concept in the last part. How to convert 345 in the standard form. 345 to be divided by how much? We want decimal here. So it should be divided by 100 and at the same time we will multiply it by 100. Okay. Now what will it give? Solve this. It will give it 3.45 and 10 to the power. See 100, that means 10 into 10 or 10 to the power 2. So it is answer is this. Similarly, this 18 and 40, that means 1,80,000. How we can write this as? We can write this 18 into 10 to the power 4. We want decimal here. So we'll divide this number by 10 and at the same time we'll multiply it by 10. Okay. And now write the next rest part. Now you can see 1 by 18 by 10, it is 1.8 into same base, and if you are multiplying, just add the power. So it is 10 to the power 5. Now, next question. We can write this as how much? 3 divided by, after decimal, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 10 to the power 6. So we can write this as 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 as your standard form. 0.00027. That means we can write it as 27 divided by, after decimal, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, after decimal, how many digits are there? So it is 6. So I will write this as 10 to the power 6. So write now 27 into 10 to the power minus 6. But still, this is not in the standard form. How we can do that? We want here 2.7. Why? We want the decimal between 2 and 7. So how we can do that? 27 divided by 10 and multiply at the same time by 10 and then we will get the 10, write the rest part 10 to the power minus 6. So we can write this as 2.7 into, you can see if you have the same base, add the powers, so it will get 10 to the power 1 plus minus 6, that is minus 5. So this is your final answer. Okay. If the weight of one insect is 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, then what will be the weight of 1.2 into 10 to the power 4 insects? See, here some mistakes are there. So printing mistakes are there. So I'm writing weight of one insect is weight of one insect equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And weight, we want the weight of, to be calculated, weight of, okay, calculate the weight of 1.2 into 10 to the power 4 insects. Okay, this is the number of the insect. Okay, Okay. Now, what we are going to do? Simple. We are going to multiply it. Okay. So, we can say the weight of 1.2 into 10 to the power 4 insects equal to how much? 9 into 10 to power minus 3. This is the weight of one insect. And how many insects are there? 1.2 into 10 to the power 4. Okay. So you can write this 9 into 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 4. So 9 into 1.2. That means this, you can solve this. How much you will get? 108, and after that one, okay, to 10.8 into same base at the power, so you will get 10 to the power 1. So finally you will get 108 kg as your answer. Okay, simple. Next question. Write 0.0016 kilometer in the standard form. So we can write this after decimal. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 divided by 10 to the power 4. That means we can write this as 16 into 10 to the power minus 4. Always remember, whenever you have 1 by a to the power n, it can be written as a to the power minus n. Okay. If you want an example, I can write, see, if it is 10 to the power minus 3, you will write it as 10 to the power 3. If it is 1 by 10 to the power 3, you will write it as 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, these are the concepts that you must know, because we are in part 4 and finally in the last part. Okay, so now this is not still in the standard form. We want decimal here. So it is 1.6. How will you get that decimal there? That means 16 is divided by 10, and at the same time it is multiplied by 10, and then 10 to the power minus 4. So 16 by 10, it is 1.6 into 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power minus 4. See, both have the same base, so power will get added. It is 10 to the power minus 3. So you got the final answer, and you can write the unit, that is kilometer. Okay. Next question. Write the following in their standard form. Again, see, there is a number 85, and of how many digits are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 10 to the power 13. Why I am writing it in denominator? Because it is after decimal. Okay. That means always remember 0.7 will be written as 7 by 10. 0.07 will be written as 7 by 100. 7 by 100. Same thing I am writing as 7 by 10 to the power 2. Okay. This 0.07 will. 0.007 will be written as 7 by 1000. Same thing I write as 7 by 10 to the power 3. Okay. So 0.007 can be written as 7 by 10 to the power 3. So please keep your concept clear related to this. So now it is 85 into 10 to the power 13. Now still this is not in a standard form. We have to divide 85 by 10 so that we get 8.5, and at the same time multiplying it. Okay. So what is the final answer? 8.5 into same base at the powers. It is 10 to the power 14. Okay. Okay. Next question now. Write the following in their standard form. We have the charge of an electron. Okay. So let's see. We can write this as 16 divided by 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 18, and then 20. So we have 20 digits after decimal, 10 to the power 20. We can write this as 16 into 10 to the power minus 20. Okay. Now, 16 is not in the standard form. We have to divide it by 10, and at the same time I have to multiply it by 10. Okay. And write the rest one. So we can write this 16 by 10 as 1.6 into same base, add the powers, you will get 10 to the power minus 19. Okay. And this much coulomb is there. Always remember this answer. This is the original result, and charge of an electron. When you will study this in higher classes, you will be coming to know that it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Now, a plane travels a distance of 3 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. So please correct it here. Distance is 3 into 10 to the power 6 meter at the speed of, and the speed is given as 1 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Okay. How much time will the plane take to reach its destination? Okay. So time equal to distance divided by speed. So what is distance? It is 3 into 10 to the power 6 meter. And what is the, sorry, this is the distance, and we have the speed 10 to the power 3, 1 into 10 to the power 3, and we can write it as 10 to the power 3 into this. Okay. Now you can see this is 3, and now if you cancel this 10 to the power 3, 10 and 10 to the power 6, how will you cancel this? See, if we have the same base and it is the case of the division, we can write this as 10 to the power 6 minus 3, and we can write this 10 to the power 3. Okay. We have discussed this in the last part. So it is 3 into 10 to the power 3 second. So how many? 3 into 1000, it is 3000 second. Okay. Next question. Now we have got the another question, and this is the case of the simplification. Okay. How to simplify this question? It is x to the power a divided by x to the power b and whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b divided by x to the power c and whole to the power b plus c. Okay. Now we are going to solve this question very basic way. Let's solve this. We have discussed one concept that whenever we have the same base, then power get added. Yes or no? Suppose if you have x to the power a into x to the power b, your answer will be x to the power a plus b. We have discussed this. In similar concept I am going to see. I have got the power. That means in reverse also, if I give you x to the power a plus b, you can write this as x to the power a into x to the power b. Okay. Okay. Now you can see if I can write this, and you can see the power are added. That means x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole to the power a into x to the power a divided by x to the power b will have the power b. So that see, when I have the same base, then power will get added. In the similar way, I am going to write each and every one. Okay. So let's see. This also x to the power b divided by x to the power c and power b into x to the power b by x to the power c will have power c. So let me erase this part. X to the power c by x to the power a. I'm writing this one. Okay. To the power c into x to the power c divided by x to the power a to the power a. Now, what we are going to use? Now the next concept is x to the power a to the power a, it is nothing but x to the power a into a, and you will get x to the power a square. Okay, same concept I'm going to use here. So x to the power a into a, that means I can write this as x to the power a square divided by x to the power ab, because a into b, okay, into x to the power ab. I'm multiplying this a with b and b with then x to the power b square, okay, into x to the power b square, you can see here, and then divided by x to the power bc, into, you can write this one also, x to the power bc divided by x to the power c square, into x to the power, wait, x to the power c square divided by x to the power ac, into x to the power ac divided by x to the power a square. Now just cancel out. See, x to the power ab, x to the power a will get cancelled out. X to the power b square and x to the power b square will get cancelled out. X to the power bc and x to the power bc will get cancelled out. X to the power c square and x to the power c square is cancelled out. X to the power ac and x to the power ac will get cancelled out. X to the power a square and x to the power a square will also get cancelled out, and finally we will be left with only 1 into 1 and everything, that is 1 as your answer. Okay, this is very easy question. Try to understand it. Two concept has been used here. The first concept that was used here was x to the power a plus b can be written as x to the power a into x to the power b. This was the first concept that was used, and the second concept was used as x to the power a whole to the power b will can written as x to the power ab. Okay, so these are the two concepts that we have used to solve this question. Next, express point 0.00000945 into 10 to the power minus 3 in the standard form. This is 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, 0.000050,945 into 10 to the power minus 3. So you have to express this. How much? This you can write as 945 divided by how many digits are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now you can write this 945 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now I want this as your decimal. So what I will do, I will divide it by 100 because I want decimal here. Okay, so and multiply it by 100. So I will get 9.45, 9.45. Okay, I'm solving this into 10 to the power. See, we have got the same base everywhere. You can write this as like this. 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. So finally 9.4845 45 into 10 to the power. Okay, same base, add the powers. So minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 plus 2, that is minus 9. So we have got the answer as this. Okay, so this was all from the exponent chapter. We tried to discuss each and every question. We will meet with the another chapter. Till then, thank you. Bye.